Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this brick breaker game in Unreal Engine 5, and those effects I created in Niagara, this blast and the sparks, and these sparks coming out of from this dashboard, this platform actually. And this is not tutorial, but I'll show you the brief how I created this, what things I used, and then I post this project on my Patreon. So to all my patrons, thanks for supporting me there, and so that's why I'm trying my best to give as much as possible to you guys. So almost every file I put on the Patreon these days, so thanks for supporting me, and also for my YouTube subscriber, thanks for supporting me. So let's start this video. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So you can see this game is there, and this is the Unreal Engine 5 project you can see. So basically I have these blueprint first game mode which has linked my blueprints, and then I have a ball you can see which has applied this material, and Niagara particle is linked with this, and when I move this particle just come out of this. If this is simulating, you can see this, see how this is happening. And in this particle system I have some first ribbon, and that comes out of that ball when it moves, and these particles which has sprite, and you can see the particles here. And then this sphere is simulating, you can see, and then here in blueprint I am just pushing it on my Y with this impulse force, and when it push it here, so it will collide with this platform. So for this platform I have one more blueprint which has this platform, and you can see the Niagara particle system is connected with this simple Niagara particle system, and this has collision on, so it's colliding. And then I have these collision boxes for event. Here you can see when it's colliding what I am doing. So it's also for mobile, so I'm just connecting these inputs here. And then for these bricks I have this class blueprint here, and I have this mesh which has this brick material applied. It's not realistic material, but it is something. Then collision here, and here what I am doing, when my ball is overlapping this box, what I am doing, you can see I am casting the ball. Then I have two conditions for first hit and second hit. At first hit I am changing the material. This is the material that's changing red, because you can see these bricks become red when it hits. So on the first hit I am making it red, then spawning the particle system. This is the particle system that is for first impact, okay. And then also it has a sound, and then this for the second hit I am spawning this particle. This is basic explosion that I created in Niagara, and then it has also the second sound here. So these are the blueprint here you can see. And then in effect I have first impact, second impact, and the player, these blue particle here, and then the trail, 4 particle system. And this is the map, BB map, that you can open. I have lots of material, and this also the friction material, physical material for friction. And I have single mesh, I have 2 sounds with clue and 2 textures. So these are the assets I have in this project, and I am putting this project on my Patreon. So you can just download and you can change the effect, or you can change the sound or speed or color, anything that you want you can just change. and in next video maybe I'll improve this project, maybe good effects I'll put there, good textures materials for the bricks, and something new maybe I'll try my best to put in this project, and then I'll provide that project also for my Patreon. So all these type of small games that I will create in Unreal Engine 5 I will put on the Patreon. So thanks for supporting me again, and okay, bye, keep learning.